Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is the preview of my project, so let's get started. Here I'm using watercolor paints, which is from Angora. Then I'm using these two or three colors. Then I'm using this watercolor book, which is 140 pound. And I'm going to spray some water on the top and spread it out a little bit. Then I'm using first pink color and spreading it out. I love doing watercolor projects. They are a lot of fun. Um, then the pigments are so nice and bright. It is fun to use it. So I'm adding some more colors on the sides and spreading it out. Then I'm adding this red color. And I'm going to blend it a little bit and spread it out. So if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button and turn the notification on. That way you will get to see all my videos as I post it. And if you have already subscribed, welcome to my channel. So I'm kind of adding little more color and brightening up. Now I'm going to splatter it. Now I'm going to dry it now um, before I go for the next step. Then I'm using this stencil and I'm using some acrylic paint. So the acrylic paint makes it look more bright. So I'm adding that, that's why. Now I'm going to dry it. Then I'm going to use this neo oil pastel and do some mark making. Then I'm using this acrylic paint marker, and then I'm going to do some more doodling. I'm using this gold mica ink, and then I'm going to add that in this project using a brush. This gold paint is beautiful and bright. So if you don't have it, you can use any gold color paint, like watercolor paint is fine, or any other acrylic paint. Those are also good if you don't have this. Just use whatever you have. You don't need to buy anything more if you don't want to. So I'm using the brush and doing some more markings. Then I'm doing some more dots uh, in this. So this gives a nice shine. I'm using this white uniball pen, and then I'm going to add some more dots in this. Sometimes these the ink dries if you don't use it, so I'm using now the acrylic paint. So now I'm going to finish this project. I hope you enjoyed watching it and got inspired. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Bye.